Hi there. March 21, Saturday, is the kickoff for our mystery quilt, and it's called Under the Stars, and it's for 2020, and it's brown bag mystery. And this is a fun project to be working on. We're looking forward to this. It wasn't exactly going to come off the way that it is right now, but in light of world activity that we have going on, we have some really fun ways for you to participate. If you're already signed up, you're going to be getting an invitation to a private Facebook group. So on Saturday, March 21st, we're going to release the video to the Facebook group, and it's going to be talking about cutting and how to handle the first clue. When people have signed up for this, initially we were planning on everybody picking up their clues. We've had the clues sent out to all of our current participants. If you sign up today or tomorrow or even next week, we'll still make sure your clue gets sent to you. You cannot send the clues electronically. We can mail them or hand them out, and we opted to have them handed out. We're actually not handling them here in-house. We have a company that's handling them. One person is handling them so that we can keep you as safe as possible. We're really excited about this opportunity to start. Now, on Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, we are going to have opportunities for people to come in, and they could actually work on, meet with us while we're doing the cutting. We'll have plenty of room around everybody. We're limiting those groups to less than 8 people in attendance. So if you still are able and willing to come in, you're going to be welcome to come into those. We'll have you sign up before you come so we can limit the number of people that are coming to that. However, again, we're going to have these as online as well for you to review and go back. Now, when we're doing our clues, we are creating these. We've created this so that we can do multiple ways of cutting. We'll do traditional cutting. You could use the perfect rectangle ruler. You could use good measure rulers, which many of you have. And the other way we're going to do is we're going to show it with AccuQuilt. Yes, this can be done with AccuQuilt. So we have some alternations or alternate ways of cutting this because that's what you've asked for. Now, we've also asked people who have signed up for us in the letter that you get in the first one, please don't do the cutting until we get this information out on Saturday. Thank you for your patience with that. After having cut up several of the pieces, I can tell you we've got some discoveries in there that I think are going to be really exciting for you. So you just need to trust us with that. One other way we have of doing this is that we have, Marty Michelle has her template, and we know some of our people have those templates, and we'll make those available too. We want you to do the best job you can with cutting because we really believe that cutting is about 60% of the success rate in patchwork. So we're going to walk you through this. You have plenty of time probably these days to do some of that work, and so we're excited to get going on the journey. If you've not signed up, we'll put a link over here for you to be able to sign up and join us. We still have some kits available, and we actually just recently put out a new one called Batik Bash, and it's kind of a surprise. You really have to trust us with that, so hopefully you get on board. Enjoy the cutting. We're going to go through a real quick cutting exercise, and it's just a little bit of snippets to get you excited. So, okay, one more thing I just remembered. Oh my, several of you are buying more than one kit. So you've really inspired me and motivated me to go out and say, how can we do this so we don't make just one small kit and one small quilt and one small quilt? So what I've done is I've created some alternate settings with all the same elements that you're going to be using if you have just one kit, so you'll be able to use them together. In fact, one of the settings that I made, you could actually take 3 kits and combine them together and make a bigger quilt than what it normally is. So if you've not already gotten a second kit, feel free to go to that link and make an order, or give us a call and then we'll make sure we look up and make sure we get them mashed together for you. I will tell you that the couple of them you're going to be able to match 2 colorways together. So I know I have a couple of you who like doing that. So if you've already gotten the sea and sand one, I think it's called sea and surf or something, you can put together the Batik Bash and you'll be able to put those 2 together. Trust me, we're going to have fun. Sewing right now is the best thing you can do and taking care of yourself. So thanks so much for being inspired to sew. We look forward to be inspiring to serve you. Thanks for being with us.